Okay, what I have here is a 1974 Ford 8000. Recently purchased truck, and I don't advise taking the risk that I took, but it was on an auction site, sight unseen, just with the pictures and the description of the truck, and with the 28-foot Budweiser trailer, which is solid, clean, no rust, aluminum floor. And we set a budget on this outfit, and we got lucky and got both units for $1,000. Man, the reason why we were looking at a truck is because we plan on moving out of state, and we priced moving companies and figured, well, I think we could probably do this for the nothing, and we decided to buy our own truck and moving bin. So I just put the battery in it, cleaned it up, did the preliminary checks, got fuel in it. I'm going to start it up. I did have an air tank that was underneath the cab. It had an air leak, or a hole in the tank, so I purchased one of them last fall and installed that. What else did I do? Really didn't have to do much to the truck. I had a radiator leak. I got that fixed. Put a new cap on the front wheel that was leaking. So now I'm going to start it up and see if it's going to fire off. It sat over winter, northern Minnesota, and it gets cold up here. And it pops right up. Good oil pressure. Filled in air. Now, when I bought this truck, I had questions whether or not it was running efficient enough. I don't know. It's got a 1160 Caterpillar in it. It does burn a little rich. I noticed even after it was warmed up, I had more white smoke than black smoke. So I bought myself a fuel gauge tester. I'm going to check the fuel pressure on it, just to make sure that it's running economically. Impressed with how fast the air pressure builds up on this rig. Especially with the way the compressor looks. It's a dinosaur. I was pretty impressed with how easy she started up. The only other thing I know I need to check is if there's any more adjustment to the clutch. There's a little bit of slop there. But overall, for $1,000 purchase, 1974 Ford single-axe truck for $1,000, I think that was a pretty good gamble. It's all got good rubber on it. We did wax it up last fall. She looked a little pale, and she kind of shined up pretty good. And I don't know, like I say it's got 1160 cat in it. Sounds like it runs pretty smooth. I believe it was a yard truck, and I don't know if the speedometer is accurate on it or not, but it's got 24,000 on the speedometer. And if it's flipped over once, even 124,000, she's still got a lot of life in her. So other than that, I'm going to do some testing on the rig, make sure it's roadworthy, make sure the engine's running as economical as possible. I'm going to flush out the passenger side tank. I don't know if that valve is open or not, but I'm going to flush all that out. Put a new fuel filter on it. Test the fuel pump. Other than that, I don't know what else more to do on her. I think she's ready to hit the road. So, all right. Any other suggestions that should be checked out? Go ahead and let me know. We'll talk to you later.